Warmouth family. I'm gonna do a puppy update. Hey babies, what you doing? Huh? What you doing? Boy, you're getting big. Getting big, ain't you? Well, look at that one. How good and fat. Yeah, what's up? This one right here's the one we saved. Hi. Hey puppy, get your eyes open. Yeah, you're starting to open your eyes. This one right here, boy, it's gonna be feisty. This little male right there. All right. How old are they now? Probably a little over 2 weeks, about 16, 18 days, maybe. Nah, maybe 14 days. I don't know. They were born on the 19th of December, so anyway, just a little puppy update. All that's being released is to the public is 4 females. So $800 a pup, $400 deposit. We'll work with you, whatever you need. So the male is 5 times line break, Gardner's Grand Champion Spite. Female is triple bred Epinet's Raging Cajun, register of merit.